Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening Meet on your laptop and signing in with the appropriate Google account. Once signed in, create or join a meeting immediately. This initiates permissions prompts. Allow camera and microphone access so video and audio work. Make sure you select the correct input devices in the preview: camera, microphone, and speaker. This prevents audio issues later and saves time. If you need a quick test, use the preview screen to speak and watch the mic meter move before you join the call. Once you're in the meeting, focus on controls and delivery. Click Present to share an entire screen, a window, or a Chrome tab. Choose a tab for best audio sharing. Use the three-dot menu to change layout, enable captions, or adjust video quality to reduce lag. Manage participants by muting noisy lines or pinning the speaker to keep attention steady. If you have multiple monitors, drag the Meet window where you want it and use headphones to prevent echo. This keeps audio clean and collaboration smooth. To finish, click Leave and stop any recording. Recordings save to your drive automatically in the meeting folder. Make sure you download captions or the chat transcript for action items. If you need to rejoin, use the same link or calendar invite. If something goes wrong, no video, muffled audio, or connection drops, reload the Meet tab first, then check camera/mic permissions and switch to an Ethernet cable or another Wi-Fi network. If problems persist, restart the browser or try a different device to isolate the issue.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.